Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Amazon Basics 1.7 liter 2200 watt electric kettle. This is a very basic packaging from Amazon Basic. As you can see, there's no information except the sticker over here which says Amazon Basic stainless steel electric kettle 1.7 liter 2200 watt. And that's it. That's all the information we had. There's some manufacturer information here and this is it. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. We have a user manual. You can see that we have a user manual for the Amazon Basic stainless steel electric kettle 1.7 liter. Everything that you want to know is listed in this particular document. Okay, so there you go. This is what you will find inside the box. Let's take a look at this first. This is basically your power cord base. So the heating element is inside over here. You'll be placing this kettle on top of this particular base to heat the water or whatever you want to heat. Underneath, you will notice that there are these grooves, which this is where you will wound the power cable around. So yeah, this is for easy storage of the wires. It's a great addition. It's a great touch. Almost all electric kettle will do this. Has been doing this recently. Not just that, there is also a pretty thick PVC power cable at the end with a 3-pin plug as well. There's a pretty thick 3-pin plug over here. Now let's take a look at the electric kettle. This is the Amazon Basics 1.7 liter electric kettle. This is made out of stainless steel, as you can see. This is the part that gets attached to the heating element, heating base over here. And yeah, there is a on-off button right over here. So this switch is also automatic. What happens when you switch it on, it starts heating the water, and there are no LED indicators, but once the water gets heated and the vapor starts coming out, this will switch off automatically. And this is the button that you use to open the lid over here. There you go. Also notice that the interior is also made out of stainless steel. This part, the black area, basically the handle and the lid, they have this matte black texture to it. It looks very cool and elegant. By the way, this is also what you call a cool touch handle. Even if the stainless steel body is 100 degrees and above, you'll be able to hold it and carry it around. So this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Amazon Basics 1.7 liter 2200 watt electric kettle. Thank you for watching.